boys and girls. I just wanted to show you the website where you can create a bar graph so that you can display the data that you've collected in your garden table a little bit differently. The title of the graph that I'm going to make is Water for the Garden. And the x-axis, that's the line that goes from side to side. I'm going to title that plants because that's where the names of the plants will be displayed. And the y-axis, that's the line on your graph that goes up and down. We're going to name that number of days. Let's see, plants watered. Now I might not be able to fit the whole word weekly, so that's why I abbreviated it. It should read number of days plants watered weekly. So our first plant that we grew in our garden were the tomatoes. So for bar one, we'll label that tomatoes. And if you remember, that's the plant that needed a lot of water. So the value is 7. That means that the tomatoes need to be watered 7 days a week, every day. And then over here, there's the color. I'm going to change the default color to red because when I think of tomatoes, I think of the color red. Our second plant was the sunflower. And I'm just going to make them all plural, which means I'm going to make my list of plants read so that they show more than one. And I'm doing this tutorial not to give you all of the answers, because I hope that you found the answers out on your own when you were creating your virtual garden. But I just wanted to show you how to input the data. So sunflowers, that was the second plant. I'm not going to tell you how many days a week the sunflower needs to be watered, but that's going to go right here. And I am going to change the default color to yellow because when I think of sunflowers, I always think of the color yellow. So this is the way you are going to input the data you collected when you were growing your virtual garden into a bar graph. And I'm going to show you what that bar graph is going to look like in the next video.